WorkSafe self-assessments can be completed online using a mobile device or laptop. This is especially useful if using our paperless training packs. Results will be automatically saved as part of the course record within the instructor zone. To utilize WorkSafe digital self-assessments, go to the Contents page in the Student Zone, where you'll find the new Self-Assessment section at the bottom of the menu. Quick links to the self-assessment pages are also available at the top of the page for easy access. We've digitized the paper self-assessment questions and skills grids to remove the need for printed copies in the classroom. However, paper versions are still included in student packs and available for download from the instructor portal. The self-assessment knowledge quizzes are an assessment tool that instructors can use to ensure competence of learners. The simple, multiple-choice questions are designed to ensure key learning points from your course have been understood. While there's no formal requirement to record results, the form will automatically save all responses to our server. And by using your unique course ID number, learner results will be available in the course record within the WorkSafe instructor zone. We've also digitized the skills grids, including checklists that can be marked off by peers and instructors. The skills grids serve as a valuable assessment tool during practical sessions. Results are saved to our server and can be viewed in the WorkSafe instructor zone. We really hope the improvements to our digital training resources and instructor portal will enhance the support that WorkSafe provides to our instructors and training providers. If you have any questions on anything in this video, please get in touch in the usual ways.